Welcome back. Subscribe and keep learning with us every day. Ready for another video? Let's go. One evening, a man checked into a hotel after a long business trip. He was tired. He wanted to rest. When he entered his room, he saw a computer on the desk. It was shiny and new. He sat down at the desk, typed a message, and hit send. But he didn't notice that he had typed the wrong email address. This was a mistake. Meanwhile, in another city, a woman was feeling very sad. She had just returned home from a very sad day, her husband's funeral. Her heart was heavy. She was feeling lonely and heartbroken. She sighed and thought, maybe I have some emails from family and friends sending their condolences. She hoped to find kind words. She turned on her computer and opened her inbox. The very first email caught her attention. It said, "To my loving wife. Subject, I've reached. Date, May 2nd, 2006. She frowned and clicked on it. As she read the message, her face turned pale. The email said, I know you're surprised to hear from me. They have computers here, and we are allowed to send emails to our loved ones. I've just arrived and have been checked in. Everything is ready for your arrival tomorrow. I can't wait to see you. Your loving hubby." The widow let out a scream and fainted right there in front of the screen. Her son, hearing the noise, rushed into the room. "Mom, Mom, are you okay?" he shouted. He saw her lying on the floor. He was worried. Then he turned to the computer screen. As he read the email, his eyes grew wide. He thought, oh no, this is not what she needed today. He felt sad for his mother. This story shows how one mistake can cause so much pain, especially on a hard day. Always check the email address before you send your message. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.